Most guitar players are usually stuck playing scales in one key. The average beginner guitar player can only play the C major scale, for example, and then when the music changes, they end up confused and stuck and they don't know what to play. I used to be in that place when the only thing I knew how to play was the C major scale. So when chord progressions were playing in the key of C, I could just play it. But the problem was, whenever the music changed, maybe they changed key to something else like another key, it was very difficult for me to follow along. This is something that the pros know how to do effortlessly on the guitar, and in today's video I'm going to show you one simple trick that you can use to be able to do all of this. So make sure you watch this video to the end. So let's get started. The first thing I talked about was the major scale. If you don't know how to play this, just use the links below to follow along. So the C major scale, the first position, do, re, mi, fa, sol. Okay? One of the things that causes beginners or guitarists to be stuck in this position is that they think that they have to memorize everything note for note. So they're usually overwhelmed when the keys change. They feel like they need to know everything note for note. Sometimes when I'm playing in the key of C and the music changes, sometimes I don't even know the name of the notes I'm playing, but I already know. It's very simple. I know how to play the pattern. So what I'll tell you now is to memorize the pattern instead of memorizing the notes, memorizing it note for note. All right. So if you want to play in the key of D, instead of it to struggle and try to think of the alphabet, simply using that formula, all you need to do is just come and plug it on the starting point. So think of a key as a starting point. So when I say play in the key of, I'm simply saying let your starting point be this particular note. Do you understand? So now that we know the pattern, when we're asked to play the D major scale, all we need to do, still on the same line, just locate the D. And by the way, one of the things that will help you to be able to recognize where notes are is understanding fretboard and fretboard mastery. So if you don't know the fretboard properly, I've created a course for that, links below. All right, so in the key of D, remember our pattern? We said 2 4 1 2 4 1 3 4. Can you see? If I say play in the key of E, same thing. All you need to do is to look for E with your middle finger on the 5th string. Then apply the same pattern. 2 4 1 2 4 1 3 4. Can you see? Now what this does is to open you up to different possibilities, so that on this same string you can play on any key. So when I say play in the key of C sharp, simply move that middle finger to the starting point. That's your C sharp. Can you see it? Very easy to do. All right. So I want you to practice this carefully for every key. Start from C, go to C sharp, go to D. When you do this, you'll be able to now understand how to change keys properly. So one of the things that will take you to the next level is not just being able to play the notes. The chords are also important, right? So for example, if I'm playing the key of C and I say play the same thing in the key of D, the same chord progression. All right? Someone might ask me, how did you go about it? Same thing I did with the scales. I just used this shape, this bar chord shape, C, G, major bar chord, A minor bar chord, and F. So when I'm playing the D, I just moved this shape to where the D is and played the same thing. All right? So if you've watched this video to this point and you're struggling and you don't even know how to play chords in different keys and chord progressions, I've created a course that actually teaches how to do this. So if you're tired of struggling and you don't want to do it all by yourself, just get this course below. If you watch this video to this point and you like what I do, subscribe. And if you want to learn how to solo with these skills, I advise you to watch this video right here.